Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Ig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to set up Spotify Premium Family account. Alright, it's very easy. As we know, the Spotify Premium Family account allows you to add up to 6 members to your subscription. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can actually set up the premium family account so that you can start enjoying this. Now, first of all, we have to head to any of our browser. I'm using Chrome browser, so I'm going to go to spotify.com. Alright, because we can't actually do this on our Spotify mobile app, we have to go to either on the phone browser or the web browser on our desktop. Alright, so once you go to spotify.com, log into your account. As you can see right here, I've logged into my account already, so I'm just going to click on this, my username right there, and I will get this option to upgrade to premium. I'll simply click on that, and once I click on that, to take me to this page, I'll scroll down to the pick your premium section. Oh, yeah, it is. Now, these are the available plans on Spotify. We have the individual plan, we have the dual plan, we have family plan, we have student plans, and each of them has different prices and different packages. For the family plan, you see here the price is $15.99 per month, and you can add up to 6 accounts. Right here it also says it blocks explicit music, and it allows ad-free music listening, play offline, on-demand playback, and also if you're using a Spotify Kids account, a separate app made for just kids. Alright, this package allows you to use the Spotify Kids account also, or rather the Spotify Kids app. Okay, so what I'm just going to do right now is to scroll down and click on the get started button. Now, as you can see right here, the price of this package is $15.99, and this is for the United States, so I have to change the country to my country. I think the reason why it's showing the dollar amount right there is because the country is said to be United States. As you can see right here at the bottom, United States is shown right here, so I need to change it to my country. So I'm going to click on this change country. Excuse me. I'm going to click on change country, and I'm going to scroll right from here. Alright, so my country is Nigeria. I'm going to click on the Nigeria option right here, and as you can see, it has changed. The page has refreshed, and there's a new price right there. Now it's 1,400 naira. Right, that's my country currency. Alright, so I'm just going to scroll down. Yeah, you can pay with your credit or debit card. They accept Visa payment, MasterCard or VAV. Alright, so I'm going to enter my card information right here. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm entering my card information. Alright, the next thing is the expiration date of the card. And finally is the security code. Now, after entering that, right here you can read this information. It says if you don't cancel your subscription before the trial ends on March 20th, 2023, you agree that you will automatically be charged the subscription fee every month until you cancel. All right, so have that in mind. So now I'm going to click on the buy now to purchase this family subscription account. So just take a few minutes for the purchase to be successful. Alright, here it says you subscribe to premium family. Congratulations to me. Alright, so here it says finish setting up your plan. Yeah, the first step was to buy premium plan. The second step is to enter your home address, and then you can invite family members. So we're going to end there because the title of this video was how to set up Spotify premium family account. Right, we're going to end there. In my next video I'm going to show you how you can invite someone to Spotify premium family account. All right, so we're going to end right here. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, guys.